Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to post voice messages inside a thread on your Threads account. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step on a mobile device, so let's get straight into it. First thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device and head down to the Threads application. Now from here we're going to the bottom of our screen where the 5 icons appear. We're going for the middle one, the plus icon, to create a new thread. Now here comes the part where we add a voice memo. As you can see, there are 6 icons we can choose here. The fourth one is the microphone option. Here first allow your microphone in the app, and what you want to do next here, simply press the red button, and as you can see we start to actually record our voice. Now from out there, if you're done recording, press that stop icon, and as you can see it actually records my voice. Now from right there, press done. It also makes a text to speech. We can delete this and make post something else, for example, and keep the audio inside the thread. Now from there we can post it, and once we post it, as you can see here, it's being posted as we speak right now. Now it takes a bit longer to post because it's an audio file, but from out there we can see that it has been posted. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.